Alright guys, it's March 1st and Polaris has dropped SnowCheck. The biggest news out of the factory, probably the RMK Khaos Matryx Slash. This essentially is designed to be the world's best all-mountain snowmobile, and let's just say Polaris is giving everybody else a good run for their money. It's a SnowCheck exclusive, so you're going to have to order it if you want it for next season. You've got 3 motor options, that's right, 3, and one of them is not a 550 fan. You've got a 650 Patriot, the 850 Patriot, and what we're looking at here today is the Patriot Boost. The folks at Polaris have told us that essentially the 850 motor was always designed to take a turbo. And after a couple of pulls on this thing, let's just say that 9 pounds of boost feels right at home on this snowmobile. The slash in the name stands for a short tapered tunnel. So gone are the days of you having to take a hacksaw to your tunnel like you see in Barant's videos. This thing's going to come right from the factory with a short tunnel so you can wheelie out of any situation. Up front, we've got the RMK React suspension, which is powered by the Walker Evans Velocity shocks. You've got great high and low compression adjustability here. Out back, we've got the RMK Khaos rear suspension. This is really where the sled gets its name. The new rear suspension geometry here provides transfer and traction for light handling and control and the best response in all riding conditions. Essentially, it's a wheelie machine. When you cut the tunnel and you couple it with this suspension and a turbo under the hood, it's going to get the skis up for you, no problem. As far as Polaris' 7S display goes, just best in class in terms of performance. I mean, you've got a huge display that's easy to read. You've got your typical metrics, your RPM, your speed, and whatnot. It's really the left side of the display where the magic happens. I mean, you can go into the data here. You can add compass, add fuel level, just change up to 5 line items worth of data that you want to appear on the screen. You can make it appear as 2 circles and 3 line items. You can even bring just 4 circle gauges if you're more of a traditional guy like myself. On the map side of things, I mean, you've got Polaris's map set up there, which just allows you to track where other riders are. It's awesome when you're out in the hills, on the mountains, just to keep track of everybody, even when they're out of sight. Controls-wise, Polaris has always done a good job of bringing them down by the gas cap and keeping the handlebars clean. You've got your high and low grip settings, as well as off, low beam, and high beam. And of course, with a boost sled, 9 pounds of boost from the factory, that is, you're going to want to have that tether on you at all times. As far as storage goes, this is something that's always been hard to come by on mountain sleds. Great to see this deep dash well that Polaris has got on the Matryx platform continuing in the RMK edition. You've got a USB charger as well. Being a guy that's behind the camera, definitely something we appreciate having is the ability to charge our phone. So that's it. That's the RMK Khaos Matryx Slash, and here's Shwarmy to tell you a little bit more about it.
My plan is to maybe come in with some speed, hit this pile, and I don't know, maybe kind of jump off a bit. I don't know, we'll see. Oh, Polaris Boost, buddy. That's the way to go. March 1st, get yours.